Hi everyone, welcome to Edtech with JWeb. I'm Javier Rabagliati and I'm here to show you how to sign in to your account on the Zoom website. Let's go! If your school uses Zoom for video communication, then you probably have a specific domain, which is like saying that you have a private link to access your account. However, you can also sign in via the public website, which is zoom.us. Once you're here, click on Sign In on the top right, and then choose the login method that you need to use. For example, if I work at a school that uses Google to manage their Zoom accounts, I will click on Sign In with Google. Alternatively, maybe other schools use the single sign-on option, or maybe even the Facebook option. And finally, the most common option would be to enter your email address and password right here. In my case, I use Sign In with Google. So make sure you know how your school is expecting you to sign in to your Zoom account. I hope you found this helpful. Bye!